how to turn on or off in-app vibrate notifications on Telegram. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, okay, go to Telegram application. So okay guys, I use iOS mobile phone or iPhone. And okay guys, sir, in Telegram homepage, okay, go to setting on the lower right side on your screen, okay, tap settings. Here in settings, okay, you can see here the notifications and sounds, okay, tap this. And notification and sounds in app notification section, okay, you can see here the in-app vibrate. And the in-app vibrate is turn off. To turn on this, okay, you have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it, okay, you have successfully turned on. And if you want to turn off again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it, okay, you have successfully turned on or off in-app vibrate notifications on Telegram. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video, okay? Thanks for watching.